The fold-in bag is a portable and adjustable folding device. It can be used for folding or for folding and bagging garments. The fold-in bag allows you to adjust your folds length and width to a variety of garment sizes. If you are bagging an item, be sure to measure the length and the width of the bag before continuing. This ensures the garment will fit nicely inside. This bag has a length of 18 inches and a width of 12 inches. For demonstration purposes, we will fold this shirt so it has a width of 10.5 inches and a length of 12. These measurements will allow the shirt to fit in the bag and gives it enough room for the bag to be sealed. To set up, simply take the two arm flaps on the left and the right and slide them halfway between the 10 and 11 inch marks at the top. Then tighten the fasteners. On the left arm of the fold-in bag, there are measurement lines that count from 10 inches to 15 inches. These measurements will be used to set the length of the fold during the folding process. To start folding, take the garment with the front side facing down and slide it all the way under both arm flaps, making sure your collar is in the center of the device. Next, take the sides of the garment and fold them horizontally around the arm flaps. Holding the garment from the base, slide it down to reveal the measurements on the left arm flap. Slide the garment down or up until the desired length is achieved. Fold the bottom of your garment over. Now the shirt has a folded length of 12 inches. Once the item is folded, it can then be bagged while still on the device. Bagging the item while on the fold-in bag reduces scrunching and wrinkling of the garment during the process. Once the bag is around the item, slide the item off the arm flaps. Now the item is perfectly and professionally folded and bagged. The fold-in bag provides clean and consistent folds every time, whether you're just folding garments or folding and bagging them. To order this product or to see our full selection, visit our website at HoopMaster.com.